Mining for gold, silver, copper, and other precious metals has been an integral part of American culture throughout history, from the great California and Alaskan gold rush days of the 1800s up to modern-era megamines. The search for riches through the process of moving dirt, rocks, and water has continually occupied the minds of adventurous men, successful business owners, and financially savvy portfolio holders. Out of this great history rises a modern-day opportunity for you to take part in the adventure, success, and the chance of great financial reward of that historic mining industry. Throughout the 20th century, mines that were in the business of looking for industrial metals such as copper, nickel, and zinc only employed the most rudimentary of processes in extracting their target material from the ground. In order to maintain the desired profit margins in these industrial metals, the operators simply took the easiest and least expensive elements from the raw material and discarded the remaining byproduct, or slag as it is known, and left that half-processed material as forgotten waste. At the time, it just didn't make financial sense to seek out any other metals that may be present in the base ore deposits. Now, modern extraction technology combined with soaring market prices of gold, silver, and other precious metals has completely changed the game. Comprehensive laboratory testing shows that high concentrations of several high-priced precious metals are readily found in the byproduct slag that lies untouched in huge quantities at certain types of old industrial mining sites. Metals like platinum, palladium, rhodium, and iridium that were barely noticed just 20 or 30 years ago have recently seen dramatic price increases and now represent an opportunity for huge gains in today's precious metals market. The ability to easily remove these metals that are still highly concentrated in the slag left over from the original smelting process represents an opportunity for you to realize significant financial rewards. Those old mining operations missed out on a great opportunity because commodity prices were not on their side. However, today's market conditions represent a chance for you to earn substantial profits from their missed opportunity. In recent months, we have located, tested, and secured prime examples of this precious metal-rich slag and are using our own proprietary process to extract valuable precious metals at a very low cost point. And this enables us to offer you, the individual buyer, the opportunity to own these metals at their very source at a price previously unheard of in the commodities market, promising substantial gains on your bulk procurement. While others enter the precious metals market by purchasing gold bullion, coins, or risky stock futures at whatever today's market price is, we are able to secure for you a position at a much lower entry price, promising exponential returns. In order to fund our operations, consolidate our holdings, and establish the market price for this raw material, we've decided to offer a limited quantity that may be purchased in bulk by a few bold individuals who would like to join us in this groundbreaking and highly lucrative venture. The available amount of slag with high concentrations of these precious metals is limited, and once it's gone forever, and so will be this grand opportunity. If you'd like to learn more about this amazing process and view independent mineral test results showing actual precious metal concentrations, the remaining bulk amount available, and potential profit numbers, please complete the contact form to the right of this video now. If you're considering a position in the precious metals market, you owe it to yourself to learn more about this unprecedented opening in the marketplace. Go ahead, fill out the form to the right, and step back into the future of profits in the precious metals market.